unfortunately, St. Petersburg was affected by two events with the loss of 3 police officers in the line of duty just in less than 30 days. So Sunday before last, we actually had a benefit concert here. We at Three Birds Tavern have live entertainment 3 nights a week, and the bands that perform here on a regular basis got together and had an all-day concert from noon until 7 p.m. That night we had donated auction items from the community. We took donations, and we also donated 15% of our sales for the day. We raised almost $3,000 for a memorial fund for the families of the officers. So yes, we just recently have had the opportunity to get involved like that, and we think it's very important for us to give back to the community, so we do that on a regular basis.